So I am going to walk you through how to restore a tail light. This is a Series 4 Mazda RX-7 tail light, passenger side. I'm sure with some polishing a lot of these scratch marks are going to come out, but to be honest with you, I tried. Even with just a little bit of sandpaper there, I did, I think, 1K, 2K, 3K, and still leave some to be desired. But I'm going to walk through what it is that I do and what it is that I did to get you that right there. Cool? First things first, is you have different types of sandpaper, different grits, right? 3K being like the smoothest, 1K being a little coarse. Got this stuff right here. This is what I'm gonna start with. Super gritty. And then 1500 we're not gonna end up using, but we're gonna end up using some of this 2K. So we're gonna do this, followed by 1K, 2K, 3K, call it. So what we do is, start it out now. This is the most aggressive stuff I have. This is the 1000. This is the 2000 and 3000. I'm using 3M for 3000. Unfortunately, Griot's doesn't have 3K, and I need to buy some anyway. But I speak to Jeff Brown from Griot's like quite often, and he was telling me the best way to make sure that the sandpaper is going to work properly for you is to let it soak in some warm water. I got really hot water right here. Makes it more pliable. Normally, I would use something like, you know, a sanding block or something like that for a situation like this, but it's such a small area, and I feel like learning how to control the sandpaper and manipulate it and put proper pressure with your fingers is like a really good way to learn consistency when it comes to sanding. Yeah, basically, yeah, just keep doing this one step at a time. Right now, again, we're on the most aggressive grit. We're just tearing through those scratches. That milky kind of white liquid, that is the clear removed. Let's see what we got going on here. We wipe it, we dry it, and we check to see our progress. Right now, you can see a lot of the scratches are gone, but we still got more stuff to work on, like here, for example, here, and like here. But ahí lo llevamos. It's a long, grueling process. Yeah, you can see right here too, we got some scratches we gotta work out. Yeah, this is pretty roughed up. And listen to this. So, yeah, it's no bullshit. It's a long process. Now that none of these scratches are visible through here, and it's all just those heavy grit marks, it's time to move on to our next one, which is going to be 1000. Let's see where we at. Here we go. 1000. We got our 1000. I have it folded in a way where it's easy to manage. Move this out of the way real quick. I am putting a little bit of pressure, but just for the sake of filming, I'm unable to. I'm just giving you examples of, like, you know, how to find your form, basically, right? Slow and steady wins the race. There's gonna be a couple, few minute video, but realistically, it takes about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do each light, just based on the other one I did already. So here we have a sanded surface. This has already been done with that 800 grit and 1000 grit. And the sanding mark from 1000. Nice and smooth. Comparison to this. Moving on to 2K. This is 2K sanding marks. You can see the mirrors already showing through. Final. Ultimate smooth. And that's the end of sanding. Those are the 3K sanding marks. You can see the clarity is a lot better here than on the prior steps. Time to polish. And there you go. After 8K to 3K and polishing.